Hi everyone, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to pin a post in Facebook. You can see I already pinned a post here in Facebook, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. If you want to do, first of all, just go to your Chrome browser. You can see this is my Chrome browser, so just click on it in Chrome or just open your Chrome browser. Then at the top of the side here you'll find here search bar, search here Facebook. Then right now at the top of the side you can find here Facebook option. So before, at the right side you can find here three dot line, so click on three dot line and make it desktop site. So I'm going to make it desktop site. Right now it's look like desktop. Then you can see Facebook login, so just click on Facebook login. Right now log in your Facebook account here. So I'm going to give here my Gmail account, so I already give my Gmail. Next I'm going to give here password. After giving password, then click on login. Right now it's logging. Then you will find such kind of interface, then click on OK. So it's need little bit time because I'm using Facebook in desktop mode. Though it's my phone, but I'm using desktop mode, that's it's need little bit time. Then going to zoom in it for showing you. Then click on your profile picture. Whenever you click on, then you will find your profile. Then scroll down. Okay, and suppose you want to pin the post, then you can find here three dot line, so just click on three dot line. Now you can see there is no option. Whenever you come here in this Chrome browser and use desktop side, you will find this option generally. If you cannot find it, what you will do? Now I'm going to show you the second option. First of all, just go to your Facebook account. Don't use Facebook Lite, you have to use Facebook. So just click on Facebook account. Then you can see here that is three dot line, so just click on three dot line. Next you can find here unpin the post. I already pinned the post, so if I click on here it will be unpinned, so I'm going to unpin it. My post has been unpinned. Right now I'm going to pin it again for showing you. So just click on three dot line. Next you can find here pin post, so click on pin post. Right now your post has been pinned. At the top of the video you can find here this post has been pinned. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos.